going to take you off and show you about the noises of city life and even rural life. And they are called, haha, you'll have to wait for it. Came over to find out why there's a mouse in the mall, or in the wall, not in the mall, in the wall. And it turns out that the pipe is broken inside the wall. So Joe's chiseling it out so that he can get to the pipe, because they want to put in a hose bidet.
Hose bidet?
Yeah. There goes Joe, he's working hard.
Whoa, working.
Whoa, whoa.
You should know that.
And then Oreo, he's in full panic mode. My mummy's leaving? Why? Why again? First the abuse with those silly clothes. And now she leaves again? Oh. So I'll show you guys what a hose bidet looks like. I love them. I think they're wonderful. As a minimalist, I try to, well, you can hear Joe next door. I try to keep things like even toilet paper to a minimum. So there's the hose. I put a galvanized fitting on that so that it won't ever break. Shouldn't ever break. And there's our bidet hose. So on top of keeping the toilet paper to a minimum, and Joe not making noise right now, yeah, we refill our pump containers. And a couple of years ago, John's sister brought wash hands. Well, these ones are they had some bleach spilled on them, but it's a cool thing. Your hand just fits right inside it. I love it. And I think in my youth, I do remember having some of these. Now, what I had Lynn do was make really big wash hands. And for those of you who are kind of freaked about the bidet and sticking a hose between your legs and all that sort of thing so you can wash your backside, these ones come up not quite shy of your elbow, but then you can reach in there and you can clean yourself off. Yay! Oversized Belgian wash hands.
Sorry.
Meet George. This is George. George is on a short leash.
That's a very nice color. Orange.
And here's Bob. Bob struts his stuff. And here we go with the Jeeps. And these spots used to be all full of dogs. People were selling dogs in really small cages. Now with cockfighting being the #1 thing around here, you know what that guy just said? Show me the money. Hello. Oh.
And then it's looking your phone away. What's that? What's that?
We came to Wendy's. We got ice cream. More. More.
More, mommy. Maray pa yung more.
I want more. Boo, this is my mommy. Look at that eye. Look at that big eye.
Yeah, big eye, yeah.
Boo.
More?
And they let us into Wendy's, guys, with a dog.
A baby. Oh my god.
Nom 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 nom.
We love it. More? Yeah, little.
Happy, happy?
Alright.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Let's get the other eye nice and big. Bye bye for now.